上打通的意义就在于此。问一下静静，静静。
Hey, how are you doing? I tell you, I'm having so much fun with these new radios. This is the Retekess radio, internet radio. And what I've been struggling with this morning is finding China radio broadcast in English. I looked up on, where is that? What's our webpage? Short-wave.info. And there are many frequencies on shortwave that they're broadcasting in English, but I can't find one. And let me look and see what the one I caught. Okay, it says right now there's one coming from Beijing. So I'll go back and see if I can find Beijing. Hope I'm pronouncing that. But this is in Chinese, so it's like, maybe I need to change the language. Thought I changed it to English. Oh, there's one problem. Oh, they didn't let me change it. Okay. Sometimes you push this button, sometimes you push that button for enter. So, it's not letting me change it. Come on. Oh, is it only got Chinese? Oh, let me go back to stations, because apparently this station in China only broadcast in Chinese. Let's go back. And location. Go back up to location. And see if we can get all China. Anywhere. No, not anywhere in the world. No. Asia. Asia's what I want. Try this button. Okay. Now we want China. China. And we want everywhere in China. See, I'm not sure which button to push. Okay, I already got that. I don't want to select. I guess I can't select anywhere in China. So I said Beijing. So let's select Beijing. I'm still learning these menus. Now, can I change the language to English? No. Nope. Like I'm only getting Chinese. See, it says one of one. That's all there is. And I don't want Chinese. Let's go back. Forget about language. And let's just go to the listing here, which is in Chinese, which I like. There's CRI. That's what I want. And that's what I'm on. But it's all in Chinese. So maybe there's not an internet Chinese station. See, this is the one I had before. And it's not in Chinese. So I guess I can't find it. Or maybe, like I said, maybe they're just not broadcasting. Broadcasting any Chinese radio on the internet. Thanks for watching. One other thing is when you're doing these search and all this stuff, it's probably easier because I'm like bending over. It's easier to put in batteries and unplug this, and then you can set this in your lap, and then searching would be much easier. So I'm going to install some batteries in this so I can do that. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up. That tells YouTube that you like my show. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Have a great day.